Most car owners are unknowingly walking into 17 different scams every time they visit a mechanic or car dealer, and it's costing them an average of $8,000 in unnecessary repairs and services. I've spent over 15 years in the automotive industry, and I've seen these exact scams destroy people's budgets countless times. Today I'm exposing every single one of these predatory tactics and giving you the insider knowledge to fight back. These 17 secrets could save you more money than any other automotive advice you'll ever hear. The industry doesn't want you knowing these tricks, but by the end of this video you'll never fall for these scams again. Scam. Number 1. The engine flush scam. Here's what most people don't know about engine flush services. You walk in for an oil change and suddenly your mechanic says your engine desperately needs a $120 flush or it'll seize up. Here's the truth. If you've been changing your oil regularly, your engine never needs this service. In fact, these harsh chemicals can actually damage older engines by loosening deposits that were sealing minor leaks. The real secret? Quality oil and regular changes are all your engine needs. Save that $120. This is pure profit margin disguised as urgent maintenance. Scam. Number 2. The air filter emergency. This next scam happens at almost every quick lube shop. They'll show you a filthy air filter and claim it's yours, demanding you replace both the engine and cabin air filters immediately for another $60 to $80. Here's what they don't want you to know. That dirty filter might not even be from your car. Most air filters last 12,000 to 15,000 miles, and cabin filters can often be cleaned with compressed air. Before you pay, ask to see them remove your filter from your car. Real mechanics will show you exactly where it came from. Scam number 3. The lifetime fluid lie. Here's a costly myth that's destroying transmissions everywhere. Manufacturers claim certain fluids are lifetime and never need changing. This is completely false, and here's why it's costing people thousands. These fluids break down from heat and contamination, but conveniently, the problems start right after your warranty expires. Change your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles and coolant every 80,000 miles regardless of what the manual says about lifetime fluids. I've seen too many $4,000 transmission replacements that could have been prevented with a $200 fluid change. Scam number 4. The TPMS sensor scam. Speaking of warning lights, here's how shops turn a simple tire pressure light into a $150 payday. Your TPMS warning light comes on and they immediately say you need new sensors without even checking your tire pressure first. Here's the industry secret they don't want you knowing. 90% of the time it's just low tire pressure from temperature changes. These sensors rarely fail, and when they do, it's usually just a dead battery after 8 to 10 years. Always check your tire pressure yourself first. A $5 tire gauge can save you hundreds in unnecessary sensor replacements. Scam number 5. The diagnostic fee trap. This scam is pure genius in its simplicity. They charge you $100 to $150 to plug in a $20 scanner and read one error code, then try to sell you repairs based on that single code. Here's what real diagnostics look like. Comprehensive testing, voltage checks, component testing, and detailed explanations. Most auto parts stores will read codes for free, and real problems require actual testing beyond just reading codes. If they can't explain exactly what they tested and why, you're being scammed. Never pay diagnostic fees without understanding exactly what testing was performed. Scam number 6. The brake fluid test deception. Here's where most people get fooled completely. They dip a test strip in your brake fluid, and it always comes back saying you need an immediate $120 brake flush. This test is rigged. Brake fluid naturally absorbs moisture and turns darker over time, but that doesn't mean it's dangerous. Real brake fluid testing involves checking the actual boiling point, not just color. Most brake fluid is fine for 3 to 4 years, unless you're experiencing actual brake problems. Don't fall for the strip test scare tactic that somehow always fails. Scam. Number 7. The used car detailing deception. This next one might surprise you because it happens before you even see the car. Dishonest dealers deep clean flood damaged and problem vehicles to hide serious issues. That perfectly detailed engine bay isn't showing pride of ownership, it's hiding oil leaks, corrosion, and damage. Here's what to look for. Lift the floor mats and check for rust or water damage. Look under the hood for overspray or fresh undercoating. And trust your nose if something smells too fresh or musty. A truly maintained car shows honest wear, Not perfect cleanliness that hides expensive problems underneath. Scam. Number 8. The yo-yo financing trap. Here's the most devastating car buying scam that ruins people financially. You negotiate a deal, sign papers, and drive home with your new car. 3 days later, the dealer calls saying your financing fell through and you need to come back and sign a new contract with worse terms or higher payments. This is called yo-yo financing, and it's completely legal in most states. Here's how to protect yourself. Never take possession of any vehicle until financing is 100% approved and all terms match your agreement. If they pressure you to take the car home before financing is final, walk away immediately. Scam. Number 9. The oil change bait and switch. This scam starts with those $19 oil change advertisements you see everywhere. You show up expecting a quick, cheap service and suddenly your bill is over $100. Here's how they get you. They'll say your car needs synthetic oil, premium filters, transmission fluid, and a dozen other urgent services. The advertised price only applies to the most basic oil in perfect conditions. Before you agree to anything, get the total price in writing and ask what's included in that advertised special. Most of these add-ons are unnecessary profit makers, not urgent needs. Scam. Number 10. The certified pre-owned inspection lie. Here's what that certified pre-owned inspection really means: absolutely nothing. Dealers market these multi-point inspections as thorough mechanical evaluations, but here's the reality. Most are just visual checklists completed in 15 minutes with no actual testing or repairs. They're checking boxes, not checking components. A real inspection involves compression tests, brake measurements, and detailed diagnostics. Always ask to see the actual inspection report, who performed it, and what specific tests were done. If they can't show you detailed results, that certification is worthless paper. Scam number 11. The check engine light cover-up. This next scam happens right before you buy a used car or after expensive repairs. The seller or mechanic clears all the diagnostic codes to make problems disappear temporarily, but the issues return within days or weeks of your purchase. Here's what they're hiding: pending codes and stored data that reveal ongoing problems. Always insist on seeing both current and pending diagnostic codes, and ask when the last code clear was performed. A legitimate seller or mechanic will provide complete diagnostic history. If codes were recently cleared without explanation, those problems are definitely coming back. Scam. Number 12. The fuel system cleaning scam. Now here's where dealerships make easy money on services you absolutely don't need. They'll recommend a $200 to $300 fuel injector cleaning service, claiming your car runs rough or has poor fuel economy. Here's the truth. Modern gasoline companies don't want you knowing. Today's top-tier fuels already contain all the detergents your engine needs. Unless you're experiencing actual symptoms like rough idling or misfires, these cleanings are pure profit. Your fuel system cleans itself with every tank of quality gas. Save that $250 and just buy top-tier fuel brands instead of falling for this unnecessary service. Scam number 13. The false battery test warning. Here's how auto shops turn a perfectly good battery into a $150 sale. They'll test your battery after a short trip when it's not fully charged and declare it's failing immediately. Real battery testing requires the battery to be at rest for several hours and fully charged. Here's the industry secret. Batteries naturally show lower voltage right after driving short distances. Most batteries last 4 to 6 years, so check the manufacturing date first. Get a free test at any auto parts store for a second opinion before spending money on a battery that might have years of life left. Scam. Number 14. The flood car cover-up. This scam is absolutely devastating because you won't discover it until thousands of dollars later. Flood-damaged vehicles get detailed, deodorized, and resold as clean cars in different states. Here's what to look for: musty smells masked by strong air fresheners, rust on screws and bolts that should be clean, and electronics that act glitchy. Check the vehicle history report for any mention of flood or water damage. Trust your nose. If it smells too perfumed or has any musty odors, walk away. Flood damage creates electrical nightmares that cost thousands to repair later. Scam. Number 15. The extended warranty phone trap. Speaking of devastating financial mistakes, here's the extended warranty scam that costs people thousands for coverage that pays nothing. Those aggressive phone calls claiming your warranty is expiring are selling nearly worthless policies with so many exclusions they rarely pay claims. Here's what they won't tell you. Most only cover named components, not labor, and they'll fight every claim. Real extended warranties come only from your vehicle manufacturer, not random phone companies. If you want coverage, buy it directly from the dealer when purchasing your car, never from unsolicited phone calls promising comprehensive protection. Scam number 16. The odometer rollback fraud. Here's one of the most illegal but still common scams in used car sales. Dishonest dealers illegally roll back odometers to increase vehicle value, sometimes reducing the mileage by 50,000 miles or more. Here's how to catch this fraud. Look for wear that doesn't match the mileage. A car with 30,000 miles shouldn't have worn pedals, steering wheel, or gear shifter. Check service records for mileage inconsistencies and always run a vehicle history report. If the wear seems excessive for the miles or records show higher mileage previously, you're looking at rollback fraud that will cost you thousands in hidden problems. Scam number 17. The fake mechanic diagnosis scam. This final scam is the worst because it destroys trust in an entire industry. Dishonest mechanics will fabricate or exaggerate problems to sell unnecessary repairs costing thousands. Here's how to protect yourself. Demand to see the actual problem, not just hear about it. Real mechanics show you broken parts, explain test results, and provide before and after evidence. If they refuse to show you the problem, use lots of technical jargon you don't understand, or pressure you with fear tactics about safety, get a second opinion immediately. Legitimate mechanics welcome questions and provide clear explanations. Those 17 scams could easily cost you $10,000 or more if you fall for them, but now you're armed with the knowledge to fight back. The most important thing to remember is this: real automotive professionals welcome your questions, show you problems clearly, and never pressure you into immediate decisions. Trust your instincts, get second opinions on expensive work, and remember that knowledge is your best defense against these costly scams.